I'm Manik Arora. I'm the co-founder and design director of Onething Design studio. And in this MasterCamp in user experience design, I'll be teaching user testing, requirement gathering, and front-end development. I did my mechanical engineering in 2011, and post that I spent a lot of years learning design on my own. And then 2015 is when I co-founded Onething Design. Since then, I've had the chance to work with some of the clients like Airtel, Coca-Cola, and Hero Group. Design is not just about designing screens on your laptop, it's much more than that. For example, one of the key aspects in this MasterCamp is requirement gathering, where we'll be teaching you how to define your problem statements clearly by interviewing business stakeholders, developers, and users. By the end of this MasterCamp, you'll have your own industry-ready portfolio and you'll be able to solve real-world design problems. I hope you're excited to start your design journey. See you in class.